The new way to cook pork ribs that took the world by storm. You have to try it. We'll need an empty milk carton. I'll cut it at the top. Now I'll add black pepper inside, followed by rosemary. Here we have 1 kilogram of pork ribs. I'll cut them into pieces like this. You're going to love making this recipe. Let me know what you think afterward. I'll place the pieces of meat inside. I'll cut 3 onions in half and then into medium pieces. I'll also place them inside the container. Now I'll cut 200 grams of champignon mushrooms into pieces. I'll add them here as well. And tell me, which city are you watching from? I'd love to send you a special greeting. Today's greeting goes to Emily Carter from New York. I'm happy you're enjoying our recipes. We'll use 3 bay leaves and add salt to taste. I'll add black pepper, I'll chop 3 cloves of garlic into small pieces. And I'll add them along with the rest of the ingredients. Three cups of heavy cream and place it all in the baking dish. Tell me, how do you cook pork ribs at home? I'd love to know your recipe. I'll cover it with aluminum foil and bake at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. I'm sure this recipe is new to you, but it's going to become a staple in your home. Once you make pork ribs this way, you won't want to cook them any other way. The result is amazing.